the waste management facility, and where does your garbage go? So if you have garbage in Edmonton, it goes into this plant where it's all the bags are separated and all the organics are taken out, all the things that can't burn are taken out, and then all that's left over, called garbage fluff, is burned in a sort of incinerator type thing. And what it does is that it what it does is that it is used in the biofuels department to create methanol or ethanol, and that gas can be used for transportation. Another thing that happens is your recyclables, it's separated and sorted at the materials recovery facility, and if that has economic value, that can be sold to different companies, and they can be profit made. But this is just where your garbage goes. Okay, thanks.
Hey guys, so Edmonton, when they realized that they were running out of landfill space, decided to have a more comprehensive plan and think about the future sustainability. Um, so my video has been showing all of that, but I decided I wanted to give a little bit more comprehensive overview of the process in Edmonton. Okay, so your waste, either residential or commercial, can be either picked up by the garbage trucks or you can carry them to different areas. So the first station that you can carry your materials to is the eco station. So that's if you have metals, old electronics, if you have paint, if you have hazardous materials, you would deposit your materials at the eco station, and then they would go about recycling it for you. And furthermore, when they recycle it, they have a specific facility that they transfer to recycle. So you drop it off at the eco station, and then they carry it from the eco station into separate e-waste facilities or recycling depots, depending on what material you have dropped off. Next, you can have you carry your waste to recycling center directly. So that's mainly like your glass or your bottles or your paper. And at the recycling depot, they sort it and then they make it into bales or into separate piles and stuff like that. If you have a commercial facility and you have a lot of C&D recycling waste, so that's like your construction, renovation, and demolition waste. So if you have like drywall and stuff like that, you could send it directly to a recycling facility. Next, if the garbage trucks come to your house and pick up all of your garbage or all of your waste, they take it and they carry it to material recovery facilities and integrated processing transfer facilities. Okay, and at those facilities they sort it again, so they will remove all the recycling components, and then the rest of the materials there, if they're biomaterials, they will be transferred to the composting facility, where it will be turned into compost and cured, and you can use it for agricultural purposes. It can be used in wide scale agriculture or just local domestic farmers and stuff like that. Or the rest of the waste is turned into paper fluff, garbage fluff. So garbage fluff consists of all the waste but shredded really finely, and that is burned at high temperatures to produce ethanol. And that ethanol is stored for like conversion to power, or it can be used in your vehicles as fuels and stuff like that. I just wanted to mention as well that some facilities, such as the Edmonton facilities, have places where they can use, they have a paper textile recycling center where they can use old clothes because of the cotton it contains, turn it into cellulose and make paper, and that can be used as office paper. That's just a side note. Okay, so any other material would be generally sent to a landfill, but Edmonton does not have any landfill space, so that's not really the case. Okay, so the current landfill site, it's closed off to the public, and they actually have a integrated system of piping which collects methane. So landfills, because of the components and all the materials inside of it, produce methane and carbon dioxide. So this methane is really good for it's a saleable commodity. You can sell it. So what the Edmonton landfill does, it collects it through a series of tubes and 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 collects it and sells it, which is really good. So all of these products, all of these things from recycling to composting to biofuels to methane is profitable. And you know what they say, all businesses want to make a profit. So this is a really is a business plan like for your waste facility. So Edmonton is really on top of their game, and I'm really glad to know that. And yeah, so I will put the links to my materials where I got all this information down below in the comment box. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like this video, if you didn't like it, or if you think I should do something differently next time. Yeah, and check out my other videos. Bye guys!